Hello, today we will see about transverse section of an isobilateral lip. Isobilateral lip is also known as monocot lip. So this is the transverse section of isobilateral lip or monocot lip. Now we will see the detailed structure of isobilateral lip. It consists of two epidermics, this upper epidermis and the lower epidermis, and each epidermis is covered by each cuticle, like the upper epidermis is covered by upper cuticle and the lower epidermis is covered by lower cuticle, and each epidermis are single layer celled and flatly arranged cell. But in upper epidermis, some of the epidermal cell became slightly bigger, thin walled and colorless cell known as a bulliform cell. Between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis, there is a presence of mesophyll cell, and the mesophyll cells in isobilateral lip or monocot lip are not differentiated into palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma as like the dorsoventral lip. Here the mesophyll cells are of parenchymatous cells, compactly arranged cell, irregular cell shaped, and consist of many chloroplasts inside it. Coming to the vascular bundle of isobilateral lips are covered or surrounded by a bundle sheath, and the vascular bundle are conjoint, collateral, and closed type. Conjoint vascular bundle means xylem and phloem are present at the same radius, and the collateral vascular bundle means xylem is present towards one corner and phloem is present towards one corner or one side. And closed vascular bundle means no cambium is present between xylem and phloem. And the protoxylem of isobilateral lips are present towards peripheral side, and the metaxylem of isobilateral lips are present towards the central side. And here in the isobilateral lip, each epidermis, that means the upper epidermis and the lower epidermis, consist of stomata and the stomatal cavity. The area where the mesophyll cells are absent known as the stomatal cavity. So here each epidermis consists of stomata and stomatal cavity. So this is all about the transverse section of isobilateral lip. Isobilateral lip consists of upper epidermis and lower epidermis, and each epidermis is covered by cuticle. Some of the epidermal cell of upper epidermis become slightly bigger, thin walled and colorless cell known as a bulliform cell. Here the epidermal cell behave as a bulliform cell. And the vascular bundle are conjoint, collateral and closed type. The mesophyll cells of isobilateral lips are not differentiated into palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma, and the mesophyll cells are of parenchymatous cell, and these are compactly arranged cell, irregular cell arranged, and consist of many chloroplasts. And each epidermis, upper epidermis and lower epidermis, consist of stomata. But in dorsoventral lip, only the lower epidermis consist of stomata, and in case of dorsoventral lip, the upper epidermis does not consist of stomata. So this is all about the transverse section of isobilateral lip. Isobilateral lip, also known as the monocot lip. Thank you.